One well folded.
Oh, yeah.
Now do the other side like that. Have you good? Oh.
I'm gonna take my welding coat off. Get that racing. Racing, bud. 4 minutes of video. I like it. See you guys later. Wait for it. 5 minutes. Bro, look at this.
Customize.
Is it hot?
Push me around. Come on, boy.
I wouldn't grab there.
I felt it being a little hot.
And I was just like, dude, dude, this is my point of view. I'm riding this. Oh, God. We go fast. Down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right in here. Oh. Oh, dang. Stop. Don't do that. Go get it. Wheelies. Oh, no wheelies. No wheelies. Do the wheelies. Dang. Ooh, no wheelies. Okay, Zan, down. Put the wheelie down.
Got my tape measure.
Down. Get your. Wait, Zan, do another wheelie. Do another wheelie. Zan, do another wheelie. Another little wheelie. Just a little. Just a little wheelie, not big. Stop. Not that.
Unit.
Now push. Okay, now stop. Put that on your. Y'all just. Oh, freak. Oh, shoot. Oh, boys. Oh. Oh, boys. Buddy. Oh, boys. Oh, boy. Oh, boys. Yeah, okay, put it now. I'm going to push you around. Let's see that. I'm going to push you around. See you later, guys. can't do that again because I messed up. Well, we got our stopping point here because we gotta go inside. I gotta edit. I'll add the next one on to it. But this is where we're at so far.
Why are you recording, Dada?
That's how we basically want it.
He's letting them know what it is.
Right there.
What did it do?
So we got all the bike parts in here. All my tools. And you guys were sitting up on top of this.
Put it upside down.
I don't care. I knew that. I knew that.
I'll see if that's a good angle. Yeah. We will be back.